Welcome to the English Discoveries student videos. In these videos, we show you how to get the most out of your English Discoveries learning platform. Today's video will focus on assessment. Let's look first at lesson tests. At the end of most lessons, there is a short quiz or review to help you check your understanding. Your score goes towards your average test score for the course. Use the test review to check which questions you got wrong. Compare your answer with the correct answer to understand your mistakes and improve your score the next time. The Student Progress Bar lists your average lesson test scores and is updated automatically as you work through the program. You can access more tests in the Assessment Center. These tests are available for a set date and time. You will get an alert when a test is waiting for you. The Assessment Center has 3 sections: available tests that you can take right now, upcoming tests that your teacher has scheduled for you to take in the future, and test results, which shows a record of the different tests you have already taken. EduSoft's placement test is designed to place you at the appropriate English Discoveries level. The test has 3 parts: reading comprehension, listening comprehension,
firefighters,
and grammar. The test is adaptive. You answer 2 sets of questions. The level of the second set of questions is determined by the results of the first set. Questions are randomly selected, so each student takes a different version of the test. Your results are analyzed and presented along with a recommended starting level. English Discoveries courses also have midterms and final tests. These tests are designed to review the materials that you have studied during your course. Click on Start Test to start your test. Remember, most tests can only be taken once. Midterms and final tests usually have 3 sections: listening comprehension, use of English, and reading comprehension. The listening comprehension section measures your ability to listen for social and academic purposes.
Hey, do you see my phone?
You will listen to and answer questions about different audio recordings such as podcasts, conversations, and announcements. The use of English section measures your understanding of the structure of English and the depth of your vocabulary knowledge. The questions are presented within a series of short paragraphs or dialogues. Each question requires you to choose the correct word or phrase that best completes a sentence. In the reading comprehension section, you will read and answer questions about different reading passages such as blog posts, emails, ads, and articles. The timer at the top right-hand corner shows you how much time you have left. If you need to exit the test, you can resume the test from where you left off, provided you are still within the time frame of your test. When you run out of time, the test will automatically close and be submitted. At the end of the test, you will get a percentage score for the whole test. Here are some tips to help you when taking an online test. First of all, there's no substitute for being prepared. Make sure you have reviewed all the material that is going to be on the test. It also helps if you are familiar with the structure of the test, the different sections and question types. If you are taking an online test at home, check that your internet connection is stable and that you have somewhere quiet to sit. If your test includes audio, make sure you have a good set of headphones. You should also be prepared physically. Get a good night's sleep before the test and have something to eat and drink before you start. Once you start the test, read all the instructions carefully. Plan your time so that you can complete the test without rushing. Answer all the questions, even if you aren't sure of the answer. Stay positive and try not to panic. Even if the test is difficult, it might not be as bad as it seems. Lastly, review the test and reflect on your performance. Ask yourself what you can do to improve your score the next time. For more tips about getting the most out of English Discoveries, check out our other student videos.